That's real carbon, nigga. This is the partial carbon, nigga. Some little broke ass can't afford.
I can't afford partial carbon. Hold up. Wheel check. I don't see Nitto anywhere on this. You're broke.
Do you know what a fucking drag radio looks like?
Do you even know what a car is? Old dumbass. You clearly don't know what hood struts are. Blown out. Like I'm gonna blow you. Like I'm gonna blow your back out. Shut your ass up. I'm gonna blow your back out like your fucking hood struts. Dude, Hunter is getting it right now. Are you gonna wrap this a different color or keep it? Wait, this is the normal color, ain't it? Oh, it is. That's it. I need to wrap my hood. I mean, wrap my fucking roof.
You need a front end.
Shut the up. It is at the house.
Your bumper?
Yes, it's been at the house for months.
How come you haven't put it on?
Because I need to put the fucking hood on. Dude, I had everything, and then I finally did it.
You just gotta route your wiring. You're gonna lose your network.
Ooh, I don't know about that one.
Unless you can Dremel a hole in the carbon.
Ooh, I don't know about that one either.
Anything that requires work, you don't know about.
I don't know about that one, Chief. Hey, I'll roast you in front of the whole vlog right now. Don't try me. About no work ethic.
Shit. Who you calling out, cuz?
Who the fuck is that?
It's a lifty boy.
Oh. Say quacha cuz.
I'm here to fuck your cousin.
Say quacha cuz. You got the one in the back.
Well, no, I didn't put all of them in. I left a select few out, you know, for the quick disconnect goes. Come on, bitch. We stuck in it. Got dead ass on the bolts, yo.
This is literally all I'm vlogging of tonight. Nate's headlight removal. And I'm still titling this shit Street Dynamics Reunion Me.
Alright. Your bitch ass failed.
So I traded the rental car in.
Dude, I missed the rental. Who are these net collectors? Is that for sexual like things?
It's for every girl I get head from. I put head sticker of her right behind that sticker inside the windshield. Kids, don't do it. There's nothing in there.
100 boy. So Hunter's clean with it. This is all I'm recording before I leave. And then go to sleep.
What the fuck?
I'm tired.
We have a fucking meeting, queer.
Yeah, and I'm still titling it Street Dynamics Reunion Me.
Don't do that.
Nah.
But yeah, they split her,
So tomorrow night?
I guess.
Okay.
But
Alright.
If you leave, then no.
Well, I gotta go.
You know.
I got shit to do.
You know.
Yeah, I
Your
do.
girlfriend can wait.
Dude, I'm trying to go watch Jack Ryan.
If
That
you go
show's
home,
fire.
I'm going home, and I will not see you tomorrow.
Why?
Because you're a fuckboy.
Why? So you don't hang out tomorrow? Why?
Because I don't hang out with fuckboys.
So you'll hang out if I stay?
Yep.
That's fucking gay. That's gay.
Sucks. You need my car to get good videos.
Dude, I can take good videos of my car. My car is an eye catcher because it's taken apart. Did you need help over here?
Yeah.
Nate, everything's connected, bro.
No, but I think water got in some of it.
Yeah, it did. You don't have your... Nope, you don't.
But it's still meant to get wet.
That's how mine were. Why'd you take yours out? Weight reduction?
No, nigga. Because it was rough and hold this.
Oh my god, Nate.
Get this blowy action in it.
I like that.
Oh yeah.
That was good. Nate, so you're buying the SC again? Oh,
I'd love to if I can find it.
the dude not answering?
I don't know where he's at. I gotta track it down, cuz. Damn, bro. Bro, he on X Games. Older, you on X Games, bud?
It game mode. It game mode. Nate, let's both buy SCs. I found one for $1,800. Clean as fuck. What year was yours? Yours was 95?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a 95, 96, something like that.
Give it a little magic touch. See this bitch blown. Oh. Man, fuck this car.
Oh shit. I'm trying to help Nate with his headlight blue.
I don't care.
Okay. And then we're gonna go. Hey Cupcake, say hello on your blog. I'm helping him with the headlight and then we're leaving, okay? Alright, love you. I'm trying to go watch Jack Ryan. It's a good show if y'all haven't watched it.
Soul Vlogs here.
Looks so bright.
Can I help you? Well, I feel like it's probably zoomed in on my face. So that's like
I'm not.
They're holding shit right here.
Nah.
I'm going to. Everybody's at Rush.
I'm on wide angle and Jocelyn's face looks elongated right now. Does it work? No, it does not.
Sounds like fucking dog shit.
I love it.
Oh my god. There's no way in hell he thinks that sounds good.
Yeah, your shit's blown.
Yeah, I got an extra ballast in the house. This
I think they're all at Rush.
Rush, nigga, those are copper.
I think they all went though. Hold up. Oof. Got surprise guests. Hey, baby. Hunter's. Look at the fuck! Oh, big head. Hunter's cleaning the rental. He's getting the stain back tomorrow. Ooh. Ooh. You already know where we're at. I need a little vlog for today. I don't know what all I'm about to go do, but I need something to vlog. Let's get a little thumbnail in here. Hunter, get ready for the thumbnail. Come on. So, Hunter, you get it back tomorrow, right? You get the car back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, that vacuum's really loud. He stopped it before the time was out. That's Big Bang shit.
Here's the car wash, too.
What are you about to go do? Oh. Damn, dude, Trump really did help people touch their first 1,000. Oh, damn. Hold on, wait, you owe me coals. Hand me a 20. Hand me a 20. That's 5. Hey, I'll take that, though. Real shit.
I owe you a coil.
No, a whole goddamn pack. I'll buy you a pack because this right here just don't work no more. Tyreek called me out in front of everybody at the gas station. He was like, hey, you know your reverse light don't work. And I was like, damn.
That one doesn't. This one does. Brian fucked the light up. I fucked the housing up.
So neither of them work.
Nope. Look, I'll hold the camera. Put your car in reverse.
Shit, how am I gonna? I'm gonna have to go back and look at it.
Now put your parking brake on. Now come here.
Hold on, she's gonna put it in reverse. Hold the brake while you put it in reverse.
Man, it's fucked. This one works, but the housing's fucked up. But that reverse doesn't work.
So neither of them work. Because that light
works.
didn't come on.
This works, but this one doesn't.
What the fuck? Why is this out? Hold on, wait, keep holding it. Alright, that worked on the Patriot. Alright, here, just put it in park, it's fine. Damn it.
I told you. Hey, if y'all didn't know, this is what a hard-working man looks like. Busty, strapped, straight up beam.
You have a name tag? Hunter.
Forget it. That's my name.
That's all. What are you about to go do?
Fuck up some crips.
I'm gonna have to bleep that. I'm gonna have to bleep that.
I don't know. I'm trying to find out. I don't work tomorrow. I'm gonna get my car back, so I took a day off, and I'm too damn excited. I ain't be able to sleep tonight.
I got work tomorrow.
I'm putting splitter kit on tomorrow.
What's home?
Whenever I get my car back, I'm gonna strike the price.
Fuck. I got work tomorrow, so I can't. Do it Saturday.
No.
Saturday after 12.
Why should I need? Oh, I need.
What? What do you need?
Unlock it.
What do you need?
Unlock it.
Why? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
No.
I probably don't have it.
No, you don't. You took them out.
What?
I need those spacers.
Oh, Brian has them.
Not the new ones.
Brian has them. The old ones.
Why'd you give them back to him?
He took them.
Why?
I'm pretty sure, unless they're in my floorboard.
No, they're not up here.
Okay, so Brian has them.
They're probably at your house.
No?
Good line on camera. As soon as you get off. What's that?
I know he's not calling someone.
Lie to me again.
Oh.
Otis. Lie to me again, Otis. Lie to me.
I
again.
don't have them. Don't.
You lying. I'm on last.
Stop, you're gonna scratch it. I don't know where they're at. Unless. Nah, I don't. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Brian took them. I'm pretty sure. Because I told him I couldn't use them.
I told you I was gonna use them. But
Well, I
then you
gave
wanted
him
me
him.
to pay you for something someone gave you for free. That's fucked up.
I told you $10.
What?
5 apiece.
You can suck my. That'll do.
Bro, this motherfucker slick clean though. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so what are you about to go do?
I don't know. Probably go home, wash my ass.
God damn, your nose looks big as shit on 0.5. God damn! Woo!
Fuck out my face.
That motherfucker's huge.
I don't know.
I'll put a smiley face
I'll
over
see
you.
what Brian's doing later. Dude, okay, so I've had this car 2 weeks, right? Listen to this, y'all. Had this car 2 weeks. Had 200 miles on it. Show them how many miles are on it.
893 for my blind viewers.
They can feel for it.
What?
You said you're blind viewers. I said they can feel for it.
Stop. Alright, I gotta go buy a charger so I can move videos to my computer.
Just buy one of those.
On what? The fuck is that?
What's up?
What kind of fancy white people, Mercedes-Benz looking ass shit?
This was $13 on eBay. Fuck you mean?
I mean, shit, it works though.
Yeah, it better fucking work. It's almost $13.
You about to go home?
Where you gonna buy a charger?
Walmart. You want to go to Walmart? Because she has to stay in the car with Cupcake.
Get rid of that fucking rat.
No.
Ugly ass.
It's about to go anyways. I gotta mute it.
Hey, just take it in here. Just take it out.
No. Alright. No. Ugh.